Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP interview question and answers. Can you explain the concept of data encapsulation in SAP ABAP? Answer. Data encapsulation in SAP ABAP refers to binding data and methods together within a class and controlling access to the data through interface. This helps in maintaining data integrity and allows from better control over data manipulation. How do you handle errors and exceptions in ABAP programming? Answer. Errors and exceptions in ABAP are handled using try-catch blocks. We use the try block to execute the code that might cause an exception, and if an exception occurs, it is catched by the catch block where we handle it approximately. What are the different types of tables available in ABAP and when would you use each one? Answer. In ABAP, there are several types of tables such as transparent table, pool table, and cluster table. Transparent tables are used to store application data, pool tables for storing control data, and cluster tables for storing application data in a specific database cluster. Could you walk me through the process of creating a report in SAP ABAP? Answer. To create a report in SAP ABAP, we typically start by defining a selection screen, followed by writing the logic to retrieve data from the database tables, and finally displaying the results using ALV, ABAP List Viewer, or other display techniques. What is the purpose of function module in ABAP? Can you provide an example of when you would use one? Answer. Function modules in ABAP are reusable subprograms that performs a specific task. For example, a function module might be used to calculate the total sales for a given period. We would use a function module when we need to perform the same task in multiple programs. How do you debug ABAP programs? What tools do you use? Answer. We debug ABAP programs using the ABAP debugging tools provided by SAP. We set breakpoints in the code where we want to debugger to pause execution, and then we can step through the code line by line to identify and fix issues. Can you discuss the difference between BAPIS and RFCS in SAP? Answer. Business Application Programming Interface are specifics to SAP and provide an interface to interact with SAP business objects, whereas RFCS remote functional calls are generate remote function calls that can be used to call functions in remote systems, including SAP systems. Explain the concept of modularization in ABAP and provide examples of how you would implement it. Answer. Modularization in ABAP refers to breaking down a program into smaller, more manageable units called modules. We can implement modularization using techniques such as subroutines, function, modules, and methods in classes. How do you optimize ABAP code for performance? Answer. We optimize ABAP code for performance by minimizing database access, avoiding nested loops, using approximate indexing, and optimizing the use of memory and CPU resources. Can you explain the concept of data dictionary in SAP ABAP and its Signifiance. Answer. The data dictionary in SAP ABAP is a central repository for storing and managing metadata such as tables, views, data elements, and domains. It provides a standardized way to define and maintain data structures and ensures data consistency across the SAP system. How do you handle transactions in ABAP programming? Answer. Transactions in ABAP are handled using the start of selection and end of selection events. The start of selection event is triggered when the report is executed, and the end of section event is triggered after the section has been proceeded. What are the different types of joins available in ABAP? When would you use each type? Answer. There are different types of joins available in ABAP, including inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. We use inner join to retrieve records that have matching values in both tables. Left outer join to retrieve all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Right outer join from the opposite. And full out join to retrieve all records from both tables. What are SAP ABAP proxy objects and how are they used? SAP ABAP proxy objects are used to enable communication between SAP system and external system via web services. They provide a way to generate ABAP classes for handling SOAP-based web service messages. What are the different types of exist available in SAP ABAP? There are several types of exist in SAP ABAP, including user exist, customer exist, BADIS, and enhancement points spots. These exists provide hooks into standard SAP process, allowing for custom code to be executed and specify points during program execution. Explain the concept of ABAP managed database producers and its use cases. Answer. AMDP allows developers to write database producers directly in ABAP using SQL script syntax. These producers are executed directly on the database server, leveraging the performance benefits of SAP HANA. AMDP is used to complete data processing tasks that require optimal database access and performance. What are the different types of testing techniques available in SAP ABAP development, and when is each technique used? Answer. Testing techniques in SAP ABAP development include unit testing, integration testing, regression testing, and performance testing. Unit testing involves testing individual units or components of a program in isolation. Integration testing verifies the interactions between different components or systems. Regression testings ensure that new changes do not break executing functionality. Performance testing evaluates the performance and scalability of the application under different load conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss SAP ABAP interview question and answers. What is a method in ABAP? Answer. Method describe the functions of classes in ABAP objects. We can call methods using the call method statement. Methods are introduced with the method statement and conclude with the end method statement. Methods can only be defined in the implementation parts of classes. Which are the various events in application server? Answer. The various events in application servers are open dataset, read dataset, close dataset. Which are the various events in dialog programs? Answer. The various events in dialog programming are process before output, process after input, process on help request, process on value request. How can we determine the table to which a field belongs to by knowing only field name? Answer. Please follow the steps below. First, use T code SE84. Then navigate to R by 3 repository ABAP dictionary fields table fields. Now, insert the field name and execute. At list of table where the field is used will be shown. What is a data class? Answer. The data class determines in which table space the table is stored when it is created in the database. How many types of size categories and data classes are there? Answer. There are 5 size categories, 0, 4 and level data classes, only 3 of which are appropriate for application tables. Master data. Data frequently assigned by rarely updated. Transition data. Data is changed frequently. Organizational data. Customizing data that is entered when system is configured and then rarely changed. What is the function of the transport system and workbench organizer? Answer. The functions of the transport system and the workbench organizer is to manage any changes made to objects of the ABAP by 4 development workbench and to transport these changes between different SAP systems. How can we access the corrections and transport system? Answer. Each time you create a new object or change an excluding object in the ABAP by 4 dictionary, you branch automatically to the workbench organizer or corrections and the transport system. Which objects are independent transport objects? Answer. Domains, data elements, table, technical systems for tables. Secondary. Index for transport table, structures views, match code objects. Match code IDS lock objects. How can we set the table spaces and extend size? Answer. You can specify the extend sizes and the table space. Physical storage area in the database, in which a transparent table is to be stored by the setting, the size category and data class. What is a development classes? Answer. Related objects from the above by 4 repository are assigned to the same development classes. This enables you to correct and transport related objects as a unit. A field containing currency amounts data type currency must be assigned to the reference table and a reference field. Explain. Answer. As a reference table, a system containing all the valid currencies is assigned or any other table which contains a field with the currency key format. This field is called as reference field. The assignment of the field containing currency amounts to the reference field is made at runtime. The value in the reference field determines the currency of the amount. Field containing quantity amounts, data type quantity must be assigned to a reference table and a reference field. Explain. Answer. As a reference table, a system table containing all the valid quantity units is assigned, or any other table which contains a field with the format of quantity units data type unit. This field is called as reference field. The assignment of the field containing quantity amounts to the reference field is made at runtime. The value in the reference field determines the quantity unit of the amount. What is the significance of technical settings specified while creating a table in the data dictionary? Answer. By specifying technical settings, we can control how database tables are created in the database. The technical settings allows us to optimize storage space requirements, table access behavior, buffering request, changes to entries logged. What is the significance of deliver classes? Answer. The deliver classes controls the degree to which the SAP or the customer is responsible for data maintenance. Whether SAP provides the table with or without contains, determines the table type, determines how the table behaves when it is first installed, at upgrade, when it is transferred, and when a client copy is performed. What is the difference between a substructure and an append structure? Answer. In case of a substructure, the refuse organized in the table itself in the form of a statement include. In case of an append structure, the table itself remains unchanged and the reference organized in the append structure. If a table that is to be extended contains a long field, we cannot use append structures. Why? Answer. Long fields in a table must always be located in the end as the last field of the table. If a table has an append structure, the append line must also be on the last field of the table. What is an update type which reference to a match code ID? If the data is one of the base tables of a match code, ID changes. The match code data has to be updated. The updated type stipulates when the match code is to be updated and how it is to be done. The update type also specifies which method is to be used for building match code. You must specify the update types when you define a match code ID. What are the update types possible? The following update types are possible. Answer. Update type A. The match code data is updated isonosically to database changes. Update type S. The match code data is updated synosically to database changes. Update type P. The match code data is updated by the application program. Update type I. Access to the match code data is managed used to a database views. Update type L. Access to the match code is achieved by calling a function module. What are the two different ways of building a match code object? Answer. A match code can be built into different ways. Logical structure. The match code data is set up temporarily at the moment when the Match code is assigned update key IK. Physical structure. The match code data is physically stored in a separate table in the database. Update type ASP. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Change of Tech. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP interview question and answers. Can you define a field without a data elements? Answer: yes, if you want to specify no data elements and therefore no domain for a field. You can enter data type and field length and a short text directly in the table maintenance. Define it between static and dynamic step loops. Answer: step loops fall into two classes, static and dynamic. Static step loops have a fixed size that cannot be changed at runtime. Dynamic step loops are visible in size. If the user resizes the window, the system automatically increase or decrease the number of step loop block displayed. If any given screen, you can define any number of static step loops but only a single dynamic one. What is the use of the statement leave to list programming? Answer: leave to list programming statement is used to produce at least from a model pool. Leave to list processing statement allows to switch from dialog mode to list mode within a dialog program. What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous updates? Answer: a program asks the system to perform a certain task and then there waits or does not wait for the task to finish. In synchronized processing, the program waits. Control returns to the program only when the task has been completed. In asynchronous processing, the program does not wait. The system returns control after merely logging the request for execution. Does the external program run in the same SAP LUW as the caller or in a separate one? Answer: transactions run with a separate SAP LUW. Reports run with a separate SAP LUW. Dialog modules run in the same SAP LUW as the caller. Function modules run in the same SAP LUW as the caller. The only expectations to the above rules are function modules called with in update task v2 function only or in background task ALE application. These always run in their own separate update transactions. What is the difference between leave transaction and call transaction? In contrast to leave to transaction, the call transaction statement causes the system to start a new SAP LUW. This second SAP LUW runs parallel to the SAP LUW for the calling transaction. What are the steps in a BDC section? Answer: the first step in a BDC section is to identify the screens of the transaction that the program will progress. Next step is to write a program to build the BDC table that will be used to submit the data to SAP. The final step is to be submit the BDC table to the system in the batch mode or as a single transaction by the call transaction command. List the various steps involved for adding value. Help for the perimeter in ABAP CDS analytical query. Answer: first, create an ABAP CDS views for dictionary based on any dummy table. Then create an ABAP CDS cube with required logic. Now, creating an ABAP CDS analytical query with the required logic. At least Result query in analysis for Excel value help button exists. How can the user add subtotal text in ABAP ALV grid? Answer. Listed below are the steps for adding the subtotal in the ABAP ALV grid. By creating an ABAP program in SE38 transaction, create an ALV report by using the function module release underscore ALV underscore grid underscore display. Populate the subtotal underscore event in IT underscore events. Parameter in the recuse underscore ALV underscore grid underscore display. List the benefits of using ABAP in Eclipse over ABAP in SAP GUI. Answer. There are various advantages of utilizing ABAP in IDE Eclipse over ABAP editor. The user can create CDS views and AMDPs which ultimately push down the code to database level and help in speedily access to records. All the CDS views created in IDE are available in SE11 and user can utilize them in your programs in SE38. User can make modifications in their programs while debugging and activating your program while in debug mode, and user can then produce with debug along with the new changes. User can create multiple projects and create your stuff inside it. In Web IDE, the user has the advantage of using advanced SQL. Define field symbols in ABAP. Answer. Field symbols point, known as pointers in C language, to something. That could be a table, a field, or simplify nothing. By nothing, I am referring to the structure of a field symbol which can be dynamically determined. A field symbol can be utilized in any operand position in this is visible and also matches the types defined utilizing typing. How can the user create ABAP by for query in SAP? Answer. For creating an ABAP by for query, the programming should create a user and a functional group. The functional group can be created by using with or without logical database table. Finally, assigning the user group to functional group. Finally, creating a query on the functional group generated. What is the difference between SE16 and table maintenance generator? Answer. SE16 is a data browser and it is used to view the contents of the table, and we cannot change or append new fields to the existing structure of the table, as we cannot view the structure level display using the SE16. Table Maintenance Generator TMG is a tool which is created using T code SM30. TMG is used to create a equipment by using customized tables created by end users can be changed as required, such as making an entire to the table, deleting an entire, etc. How should the user tick an option in standard T code like LB10 along with particularly delivered? Answer. In case there is no additional condition meant for checking the particle deliver checkbox, the user can then select the particle deliver checkbox by using transaction variant in SHD0 transaction. Once the transaction variant has been created, then activating the variant and checked the LB10 transaction. In ABAP, can the user write select in the loop? Answer. This is not recommended as it will cause a major performance issue. It will run the query every time it loops and you are using select, which means you are finishing all fields of the tables assigning. If tables have millions of entries, then in every iteration your select query will go around millions of records in table. Therefore, it could lead to serious performance issues. Inside of this, it is advanced that you use for all enters the statement. It will fulfill your requirement. What is the difference between a singleton and a statistic class ABAP? Answer. A singleton is a design partner where the classes is required to create object. The class ensures that only one object exists for every internal section which is available to consumers. Therefore, when you create a singleton classes, it does not allow you to create multiple instances of the class. Instead, a single instance will be created which behaves as a global access point to reuse that class throughout the lifetime of the application component. A class which only contains static components and no instant components is known as a static class. The user can directly access the components using the operator. A global static classes is loaded once which it class pool into the current internal session. Like every ABAP program, it cannot be clearly deleted from the sessions. In subclasses, the statistic methods declared using class methods of a class cannot be referred. What are the two methods to declare input field as mandatory? Answer. Two waves. Parameter ABC type XYZ obligatory. Check if ABC is initial. Message field ABC is mandatory type E and if. Thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let's we discuss SAP Cloud Computing question and answer. What is a cloud computing? Answer. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service over the internet, allowing users to access resources such as storage, processing power and applications on demand without the need for direct management of physical hardware. Are the main advantages of cloud computing? Answer. Some of the main advantages of cloud computing include scalability. Users can easily scale resources up or down based on their needs. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing often operates on a pay as you go model, allowing users to pay only for the resources they use. Flexibility. Users can access cloud service from anywhere with an internet connection using various devices. Reliability. Cloud provides typically offer high levels of uptime and redundancy, ensuring the services remain available. What are the different types of cloud computing models? Answer. They are primarily three types of cloud computing models. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, such as virtualized machines, storage, and networking. Platform as a service offers a platform allowing customers to develop, run, and manage applications without dealing with the underlying infrastructure. Software as a service delivery software applications over the internet on a subscription basis, eliminating the needs for users to install, maintain, and update software locally. What are some popular cloud computing providers? Answer. Some of the leading cloud computing providers include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. What are the security considerations in cloud computing? Answer. Security considerations in cloud computing include data encryption, access controls, compliance with regulations and standards, identify and access management, and security monitoring and logging. What is the difference between public, private, and hybrid clouds? Answer. Public cloud infrastructure and services are provided by third party cloud providers and are available to the general public over the internet. Private cloud infrastructure and services are maintained on a private network, typically within an organization's data center, providing greater control and security. Hybrid cloud combines elements of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them, providing flexibility and scalability. What is virtualization and how does it relate to cloud computing? Answer. Virtualization is a process of creating a virtual rather than physical version of computing resources such as services, storage device, or networking resources. In cloud computing, virtualization enables the pooling and sharing of physical resources among multiple users or applications, allowing for greater efficiency and flexibility in resource allocation. What is the difference between horizontal and vertical scaling in cloud computing? Answer. Horizontal scaling, scale out, involves adding more instances of resources such as services or vertical machines to disrupt the workload across multiple machines. This approach increases the capacity of the system. Vertical scaling, scale up, involves increasing the resources such as CPU, memory, or storage of individual machines to handle larger workloads. This approach increases the power of each individual machine. What is serverless computing? Answer. Serverless computing is a cloud computing model in which the cloud provider dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. With serverless computing, developers can focus on the writing code without worrying about provisioning or managing service. This cloud provider automatically allocates resources as needed, and users are only charged for the actual resources consumed during execution. What are containers and how are they used in cloud computing? Answer. Containers are lightweight, portable and self-sufficient packages that contains everything needed to run a piece of software, including the code, runtime, system tools, libraries and settings. Containers are used in cloud computing to streamline application deployment, improve scalability, and enhance consistency across different environments. Technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes are commonly used to manage containers in cloud environments. What is multi-tenancy in cloud computing? Answer. Multi-tenancy is a software architecture where a single instance of an application or system serves multiple users or tenants. In cloud computing, multi-tenancy allows multiple users or organizations to share the same physical infrastructure while maintaining isolation and security between tenants. This approach maximizes resource utilization and can be reduce cost for cloud service providers and users. How does cloud computing support disaster recovery and business continuity. Answer: cloud computing provides built in redundancy and backup capabilities that can enhance disaster recovery and business continuity strategies. By replicating data and applications across multiple geography regions and leveraging automated failover mechanisms, organizations can minimize downtime and data loss in the event of a disaster or outage. What are some common cloud deployment models? Answer: public cloud. Services are provided over the public internet and are available to anyone who wants to use them. Private cloud. Infrastructure and services are dedicated to a single organization and are not shared with other organizations. Community cloud. Infrastructure and services are shared by several organizations with common concurrence, regulatory compliancy, and are managed by either the organizations or a third party provider. Hybrid cloud combines two or more different cloud deployment models, typically a mix of public and private clouds, allowing data and application to be shared between them. What is autoscaling in cloud computing? Answer: autoscaling, also known as automatic scaling or elastic scaling, is a feature of cloud computing platform that automatically adjusts the number of resources allocated to an application based on its current workload. This ensures that the application has enough resources to handle fluctuations in demand while minimizing cost during periods of low activity. What is serverless architecture and what are its benefits? Answer: serverless architecture, also known as functions as a service, is a cloud computing model in which cloud providers automatically manage the allocation of resources needed to execute code. Developers write function pieces of code that are triggered by events such as HTTP request or database changes, and the cloud provider handles scaling, deployment, and infrastructure management. Benefits of serverless architecture include reduced operational overhead, improved scalability, and cost optimization, since users only pay for the resource consumed during function execution. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, welcome to J SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP Cloud Platform Integration Question and Answers. What is SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI stands for SAP Cloud Platform Integration. It is a cloud-based integration platform provided by SAP for connecting different systems and applications, both within an organization and with. What are the key features of SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI offer features such as per package integration contact, connectivity to various systems and applications, both SAP and non-SAP graphical mapping tools, monitoring and alerting capabilities, and support for various integration patterns such as synchronize, asynchronous, request, response, etc. How does SAP CPI differ from SAP PI PO? Answer: SAP Process Integration and its successor SAP Process Orchestration are on-premises integration platforms, whereas SAP CPI is a cloud-based integration platform. SAP CPI offers greater flexibility, scalability, and ease of user compared to on-premises solution. What are some common use cases for SAP CPI? Answer: some common use cases for SAP CPI include integrating SAP S/4HANA with other SAP and non-SAP systems, connecting cloud applications such as SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Ariba, Salesforce, etc. with on-premises systems, enabling B2B integration with trading partners and orchestrating business process across different systems. What integration partners does SAP CPI support? Answer: SAP CPI supports various integration partners including point-to-point, publish subscribe, request response, batch processing, and more. It also supports both synchronized and asynchronous communication. How is security ensured in SAP CPI? Answer: security in SAP CPI is ensured through various measurements such as data encryption, role-based access control, secure communication protocols such as HTTPS, and compliance with industry standards and regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Can SAP CPI be extended or customized? Answer: yes. SAP CPI can be extended and customized using various extension points provided by SAP, such as custom Java code, Groovy script, custom adapters, and integration flows developed using SAP Cloud Integrations web-based tools. How is monitoring and error handling done in SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI provides built-in monitoring and error handling capabilities through its web-based administration console. Administrations can monitor integration flows in real time, view messages processing logs, set as up alerts for errors, and configure a automatic error handling mechanisms. What deployment options are available for SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI offers both multi-tenant and single-tenant deployment options. In a multiple-tenant environment, multiple customers share the same infrastructure, while in a single-tenant environment, each customer has its own dedicated infrastructure. How does SAP CPI handle data transformation and mapping? SAP CPI provides graphical mapping tools that allows users to visually design data transformation logic between different data formats and structures. This tool supports various mapping functions, transformations, and looks up to facilitate data mapping and transformation tasks. Can SAP CPI integrate with both SAP and non-SAP systems? Answer: yes. SAP CPI supports integration with both SAP and non-SAP systems. It provides pre-built adapters for connecting to various SAP applications such as SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP, SAP SuccessFactors, etc., as well as non-SAP application such as Salesforce, Workday, Microsoft, Dynamics, etc. How does SAP CPI handle complex integration scenarios involving multiple systems and applications? Answer: SAP CPI supports complex integration scenarios through its support for orchestration and choreography partners. Users can design integration flow that involve multiple systems and applications, define business logic, and specify routine and message processing rules to handle complex integration scenarios. Is there a development environment available for SAP CPI? Answer: yes. SAP CPI provides a web-based development environment where users can design development and test integration flows. The development environment includes tools for designing integration flows, mapping data transformation, configuring adapters, and testing integration scenarios. How does SAP CPI ensure high availability and reliability? Answer: SAP CPI ensures high availability and reliability through its distributed architecture, built-in flat tolerance mechanisms, and support for horizontal scaling. It also provides features such as messages, persistency, message replication, and automatic failover to ensure continuous operation and data integrity. Can SAP CPI be integrated with SAP's other cloud offerings such as SAP Analytics Cloud or SAP Leonardo? Answer: Yes. SAP CPI can be integrated with other SAP cloud offerings as well as third-party cloud applications. Integration scenarios involving SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Leonardo, SAP Cloud Platform, and other SAP cloud services can be implemented using SAP CPI's connectivity options and integration capabilities. How does SAP CPI handle versioning and lifecycle management of integration artifacts? Answer: SAP CPI provides versioning and lifecycle management features that allow users to manage different versions of integration artifacts, such as integration flows, mappings, and configurations, and promote them through different environments such as development testing and production. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP Cloud Platform Integration Question and Answers. Does SAP CPI supports hybrid integration scenarios? Answer: Yes. SAP CPI supports hybrid integration scenarios where some systems or applications are located on premises while others are in the cloud. SAP CPI provides capabilities such as secure connectivity options. Example: SAP Cloud Connector adapters for on-premises systems and integration partner suitable for hybrid environments. What options does SAP CPI offer for real-time monitoring and reporting? Answer: SAP CPI offers real-time monitoring capabilities through its web-based administration console, where users can monitor integration flow executions, track messages processing status, view performance metrics, and generate custom reports. Additionally, SAP CPI integrates with SAP Solution Manager for advanced monitoring and reporting. Can SAP CPI be used for EDI, electronic data interchange integration? Answer: Yes. SAP CPI supports EDI integration by providing pre-built connect for common EDI stands such as ANSI X12, EDIFACT, and protocols such as AS2 SFTP. Users can configure EDI specific settings, mappings, and acknowledgements within integration flows to enable seamless EDI integration with trading partners. How does SAP CPI handle message transformation between different communication protocols and data formats. Answer. SAP CPI provides protocols, conversion and data mapping capabilities to handle message transformation between different communication protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SFTP, AS2, and data formats such as XML, JSON, flat file. Users can define conversion logic and mapping within integration flows using graphical mapping tools. Is there support for API management and API integration in SAP CPI? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI offer API management capabilities for designing, publishing and managing APIs. Users can create API proxies, define API policies, perform versioning and lifecycle management and analyze API usage and performance. Additionally, SAP CPI provides features for integrating with external APIs and exploring SAP CPI integration artifacts as APIs. How does SAP CPI handle data security and compliancy requirements? Answer. SAP CPI ensure data security and compliance with industry regulations through various measures such as data encryption, access control, adult logging, and compliancy certification. Example GDPR, HIPAA, SOC. Users can configure security setting, encrypt sensitive data, and monitor access and usage to maintain data integrity and confidently. Can SAP CPI be integrated with custom applications and legacy systems? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI can be integrated with custom applications and legacy systems using custom adapters, web services, or other integration protocols such as REST SOAP. Users can develop custom integration solutions or leverage extending connectors and protocols to integrate SAP CPI with a wide range of systems and applications. How does SAP CPI handle message, routine, and processing based on business rules? Answer. SAP CPI allows users to define messages routine and processing logic based on business rules using conditional routine, content based routine, and message enrichment capabilities. Users can configure rules and conditions within integration flow to rotate messages to different endpoints, apply transformations, and trigger specific actions based on message content. Does SAP CPI provide support for message querying and asynchronous processing? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI supports message querying and asynchronous processing by allowing users to decouple senders and received system through message queries. Users can configure integration flows to send messages to queries for asynchronous processing, enabling better scalability and fault tolerance in integration scenarios. Can SAP CPI be used for event-driven integration? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI supports event-driven integration by allowing users to subscribe to events and trigger integration flows based on event notifications. Users can configure event listeners and handlers within integration flows to react to specify events generated by source systems or external applications. What option does SAP CPI offer for errors handling and retry mechanisms? Answer: SAP CPI provides built-in error handling features such as automatic retires, dead letters queries, and error notifications. Users can configure retire policies, specify retire intervals, and define escalations action to handle errors and equiptations gracefully within integration flows. Is there support for data validation and schema validation in SAP CPI? Answer: yes. SAP CPI offers data validation and schema validation capabilities to ensure data integrity and compliance with predefined data structure and formats. Users can define validation rules, perform schema validation against XML or JSON schemas, and handle validation errors within integration flows. How does SAP CPI handle long-running integration process and transactions? Answer: SAP CPI supports long-running integration process and transactions through its supports for stateful processing, durable messaging, and distributed transactions. Users can design integration flows that span multiple steps and interact with external systems asynchronously, ensuring transactional consistency and reliability. Can SAP CPI be integrated with SAP's on-premises middleware solution such as SAP NetWeaver PIPO? Answer: yes. SAP CPI can be integrated with SAP's on-premises middleware solution such as SAP NetWeaver Process Integration or Process Orchestration. Users can configure adapters and communication channels to establish secure connectivity between SAP CPI and on-premises systems, enabling hybrid integration scenarios. Does SAP CPI provide support for message transformation using extensible style sheet language transformation? Answer: yes. SAP CPI supports message transformation using XSLT, which allows users to apply complex transformations and manipulations to XML based messages within integration flows. Users can write custom XSLT style sheets or leverage pre-built XSLT mapping functions to transform message payloads as needed. How does SAP CPI handle message routine and load balancing across multiple endpoints? Answer: SAP CPI provides dynamic routine and load balancing capabilities to distribute messages across multiple endpoints or backend systems. Users can configure routine used based on message content, endpoint availability, or predefined. How does SAP CPI handle message routine and load balancing across multiple endpoints? Answer: SAP CPI provides dynamic routine and load balancing capabilities to distribute messages across multiple endpoints or backend systems. Users can configure routine rules based on message content, endpoint availability, or predefined criteria to ensure optimal message distribution and workload balancing. Is there support for message achieving and retention policies in SAP CPI? Answer: yes. SAP CPI offers message achieving and retention features to store and manage message data according to predefined retention policies. Users can configure achieving rules, specific stores locations, and define retention periods to comply with data retention requirements and regularity standards. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Hello everyone. Welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP Data Sphere question and answer. What is SAP Data Sphere? Answer. SAP Data Sphere is a data management platform offered by SAP that enables business to connect, integrate, and management data across heterogeneous systems and environments. What are the key features of SAP Data Sphere? Answer. Some key features of SAP Data Sphere include data integration, connecting and harmonizing data from various sources, data orchestration, automating data flows and process across systems, data optimization, improving data quality, governance and performance. Data virtualization, providing a unfilled view of data without physical moving it. Data security and governance, ensuring compliance and data protection. How does SAP Data Sphere help business? Answer. SAP Data Sphere help business to break down data, source streamline, data management process, and derive insights from diverse data source. It enables organization to make informed decisions, enhance operational efficiency and accelerate. What technologies does SAP DataSphere support? Answer. SAP DataSphere supports various technologies and platforms including cloud, on-premises, hybrid environments, and diverse data formats such as structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Can SAP DataSphere integrate without SAP products? Answer. Yes, SAP DataSphere is designed to integrate seamlessly without SAP products such as SAP HANA, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, SAP Analytics Cloud, and SAP Data Intelligence, providing a comprehensive data management solution for enterprises. How does SAP DataSphere handle data governance and compliance? Answer. SAP DataSphere offers robust data governance capabilities, including data lineage, metadata management, access controls, and compliance monitoring. It helps organizations enforce data policies met regularity requirements and ensure data privacy and security. Is SAP DataSphere suitable for small business? Answer. While SAP DataSphere is primarily targeted towards large enterprises with complex data landscape, small and medium-sized business can also benefit from its data integration, orchestration and optimization capabilities, especially as their data needs grow. What are the deployments options for SAP DataSphere? Answer. SAP DataSphere offer flexible deployments options, including on-premises cloud and hybrid deployments. Organization can choose the deployment model that best suits their infrastructure data governance requirements and business objects. How does SAP DataSphere handle real-time data integration and processing? Answer. SAP DataSphere supports real-time data integration and processing through connectors, APIs, and event-driven architectures. It enables organizations to capture, transforms, and analyze streaming data in real time to make timely business decisions. Can SAP DataSphere connect to external data source and third-party applications? Answer. Yes, SAP DataSphere provides connectors and adapters to connect to a wide range of external data source, including databases, data lakes, IoT device, SaaS applications, and more. It supports interoperability with third-party systems through standards-based integration protocols. How does SAP DataSphere ensure data quality and consistency? Answer: SAP DataSphere employs data quality tools, data profiling, and data cleansing technicians to ensure the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data across the enterprise. It enables data validation, enrichment, and transformation to improve data quality and reliability. Can SAP DataSphere handle big data and scalability requirements? Answer: yes. SAP DataSphere is designed to handle big data volumes and scalability requirements. It leverages distributed processing, parallel computing, and scalable storage technologies to process and analyze large data sets efficiently. Does SAP DataSphere provide analytics and visualization capabilities? Answer: while SAP DataSphere primarily focuses on data integration, orchestration, and governance, it integrates with SAP Analytics and visualization tools such as SAP Analytics Cloud and SAP Data Intelligence to enable advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and data visualization. How does SAP DataSphere support data-driven decision making? Answer: SAP DataSphere empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions by providing access to timely, accurate, and relevant data across the enterprise. It facilitates data discovery, exploration, and collaboration to uncover insights and driving business outcomes. What are the key components of the SAP DataSphere platform? Answer: the key components of the SAP DataSphere platform include data integration service, data orchestration engine, data catalog, metadata management, data governance tools, security controls, and administration console. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP SCM interview question and answers. How would you define supply chain management? Answer: SAP Supply Chain Management, one of the key modules in SAP ERP, manages production planning, forecasting, business and demand planning, and help organizations manage their supply chain in a dynamic environment. Which stakeholders play a role in supply chain management? Answer: the SAP SCM process connects suppliers, customers, manufacturers, business partners, and retailers to manage supply chain process effectively and efficiently. In the course of your supply chain process, were you able to use any of the following applications? Answer: as per SAP applications, the main ones are SAP General Areas, SAP Supply Network Collaboration (SNC), SAP Extended Warehouse Management (EWM), Advanced Planning and Optimization (APO), Forecasting and Replacement (FRE), and SAP Transportation Management (TM). According to functionality, what are the different components within SAP SCM? Answer: forecasting. To use customer relationship management (CRM) to get data related to customer campaigns, etc. To perform demand planning and forecasting. SNP, Supply Network Planning. To an organization can be viewed as a network of locations and stock projections can be checked. SNP calculates depend requirement down to supplying location, production and receiving stores. Planned and detailed scheduling of production. The objective is to check the depend requirements for supplying network locations as reported by SNP in conjunction with material requirements planning. Production during planning. The inbound materials required for a production order are determined. How are supply chain collaboration and supply chain coordination different? Answer: SC collaboration. FAQs and agreements can be made using this information. Coordination of the SC. In supply chain, these components coordinations the exchange of data and information between different business units. Why should organizations use supply chain process? Answer: having a disturbed environment provides organizations with the following benefits. By using a SCM process, accounts receivable collections will be reduced, as well again an extent of credit, as well as day sales outstanding. Managing forecasting and managing sudden changes in demand and supply. Plants and equipment are examples of net fixed asset at FA that can be effectively used. An organization can manage the supply chain management process smartly to meet customer demands. All stakeholders across the network are informed of the key information. An organization's demand and supply process are managed better with improved communications and collaboration between different business units. Reduce the cost of goods sold by improving production efficiency and reducing quality issues. Increasing rebates and incentives and reducing transportation duties and tax. Reducing transportation errors in another benefit. What are the steps you have taken as part of your supply chain management responsibilities? Answer: planning, forecasting, and managing the demand for goods are all aspects of demand management. It has defined process and capabilities to produce goods. Demand planning is improved by using these component promotions each customer and thus see customer response to change in pricing policies and perfect for a particular product within the organization. Customers' reaction to price changes can be predicted using demand module depending on your organization goals like increasing profit, revenue, etc. You can define product selling strategies. Planned Independent Requirement stands for what? Answer: PIRs are used for demand management. Independent requirements provide input for production planning. PIRs contains one planned quantity of product and one data for material, or a planned quantity spans several time periods. What are MTS and MTO planning strategies? Answer: make to stock planning strategy. MTS stock is produced without a sales order in this planning strategy. Future customer orders are met with the stock. The make to order MTO planning strategy. Under this plan, you do not produce finished products until a customer orders them. Sales orders are your only consideration under MRP. As part of the MTO strategy, you only produce sales order stock and deliver products in accordance with customer sales orders. When performing MTS and MTO, what planning strategy do you use? Answer. Using planning strategy 10, only PIR quantities are considered for MRP runs and sales order are completely ignored. If you deliver stock to the customer, this PIR requirement is reduced. You can consider a maximum of 2 PIR and sales orders when using planning strategy 40, and PIR is reduced when entering sales orders. When a customer requires a variant product planning strategy, 25 used to produce the variant product. Why is MRP run or planning run important? Answer. MRP runs or planning runs help close to the gap between demand and supply. A MRP elements is an issue and a receipt. PIRS depend requirements, order reservation, sales orders and stock transfer orders are among the items to be addressed. Production orders, purchase, requisitions and purchase order compares receipts orders, open production orders, receiving stock transfer orders, schedule line, etc. How do MRP runs differ? Answer. Net change. Material that can change since the last MRP runs is considered for this run system. Changing the planning horizon for this network until net change with considered future requirements. These runs consider the requirements within the predefined planning horizon. During this run, the system considered only those materials that have undergone some changes since their last MRP. Planning for regenerative growth. In this run, the system considered all the material regardless of any changes. This is time consuming and not common in production planning. How does lead time scheduling differ from basic scheduling? Answer. Basic scheduling, it calculates only the basic dates of order in MRP runs at the time spent or production for the material master began used. Scheduling with a lead time. Production dates are determined by lead time scheduling for planned order in this MRP. Thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone. Welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP SCM interview question and answers. How does lead time scheduling differ from basis scheduling? Answer. Basis scheduling. It calculates only the basis dates of order in MRP runs at the time spent on production for the material master began used. Scheduling with a lead time. Production dates are determined by lead time. Scheduling for planned orders in this MRP. What does master data on bill of material contain? Answer. Bills of material master data are related to material requirement planning and provide the list of components for a product. What is a super boom? Answer. To create a product that has different variants You can create a super bill of material that contains at least of components to make the different variants of a product, and that depends on the details included in the planning order. Bills of material can be created up to 99 times. When transferring data between SAP, ERP and SCM, what steps do you take? Answer. You need to define an integration model to move master and transaction data from ERP systems to SCM systems. An integration model is automatically updated each time you create it. Can more than one version of the integration model be activated at once? Answer. There is no limit to the number of variations of an integration model, but only one version is activated at any given time. What does good issue process mean? How do goods issues move? Answer. Good issues occurs when raw materials are consumed to produce material as per production orders in the production planning system. The inventory of components at the storage location decrease when goods are issued. Goods are issued using movement types 261. When dealing with a cancelled order in SCM, how do you handle the cancellation issue? Answer. When you cancel the goods issue of an order, you use the goods issues reserval option. It is possible to cancel an order issue until the CNF status has been confirmed in the system. Goods issue reserval movement type 262. To use T code MB1A to receive goods issue or go to logistics, production, production control, goods movement, goods issue. How do you create planned orders? How do you convert planned orders to production orders? Answer. You can interact the procurement of material with a certain quantity during the planning run for a plant in the SAP system. When a storage of materials is detected, planned orders are created and you can convert them to production orders by using the T code CO40 oblique CO41. How can a plan order be created manual? Answer. You can create a plan order manual using T code MD11. What is the best way to evaluate MRP run in the SCM system? This is used to view current stock and upcoming receipts. Use T code MD04. What is production order? Answer. A production order specifies the material to be produced, the plant location where it must take place, the date and time of production, and the quantity of goods to be manufactured. Production orders also specify which components and securities of operational are used to be used and how order costs are to be selected. How do you get the details of the components list and operational data of a production order? When you create it, materials boom and retaining information is copied into the production order. When determines the list of components and operational data in the order. How does a planned order become a production order? Answer. Creating a production order from a planned order is the first step. In SAP PP, step is defined when you create a production order. To begin the production process, it is necessary to issue a production order. Production cannot begin until a production order has been released. To execute the production order, it is necessary to issue goods. Once goods are issued, documents numbers can be updated in the system. In accordance with the production order, all sub-processes are executed according to their requirements. When creating an integration model, what happens if you does not select a restriction? Answer. If you select execute without selecting a restriction, you are promoted that it will take a long time to complete. Is it true that when an integration model is deactivated, it deletes all objects that were transferred to the SCM system? Deactivating an integration model does not mean that all objects transferred will be deleted from the SCM. What are the most common types of supply chain master data? Answer. Boom, center for work, master material, routes. In the supply chain management process, how are master data routes utilized? Routing determines the sequence of activities performed at a work center. Routing plays a critical role in calculating production cost, machine time, and labor time. In SAP supply chain, what are the different resource type? Answer. As per the planning parameters, resource types define how the system plans resource. Every resource type has its own planning parameters. Following resource types are created automatically when you transfer work centers from an ERP system. Multi-activity and single activity resource. Resource that are single mixed and multi-mixed. Resource line. Resources for single activities and multi-activities. In it is possible to do one activity at a time with this resource. With the multi-activity resource, several activities can be performed simultaneously. Resources that are single mixed and multi-mixed. In with SAP SCM, both production planning, SAP PP and detailed scheduling are performed by mixed resource. Single mixed resource are defined as a single activity resource in production planning PP and detailed scheduling DS and multi-mixed resource allow multi-activity resource. Resource line. It works time and line rates are defined. For each DI line and resource is created in APO. Resource for vehicles, resource for buckets, transport resource. Thank you for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to JEE SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP Full Stack Development question and answer. What is SAP ABAP? Answer. SAP ABAP Advanced Business Application Programming is a high-level programming language used for developing business application in the SAP environment. It's the primary language for customizing SAP software. What is SAP Full Stack Development? Answer. SAP Full Stack Development involves working on all layers of the SAP technology stack, including the front-end, UI, back-end logic, and database. This includes SAP U15 for front-end development, ABAP for backend logic, and SAP HANA or other database for data storage. What are the key components of SAP ABAP Full Stack? Answer. The key components include ABAP programming, writing backend logic and business process. SAP UI5, developing modern, responsive user interfaces. SAP HANA, leveraging in-memory database technology for high-performance data processing. How do you handle data retrieval and manipulation in SAP ABAP? Answer. Data retrieval and manipulation in SAP ABAP are typically done using open SQL statements to interact with the database. ABAP provides powerful data manipulation features such as select, insert, update, modify, and delete statements. What is the role of SAP UI5 in ABAP full stack development? Answer. SAP UI5 is a primary framework for building web applications and user interfaces in the SAP ecosystem. In ABAP full stack development, SAP UI5 is used to create modern, responsive UIs that interact with the backend ABAP logic. Can you integrate non-SAP systems with ABAP development? Answer. Yes. ABAP development supports integration with non-SAP system through various methods such as web service, SOAP RESTful, remote function call, OData services, and custom adapters. How do you handle security in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Security in SAP ABAP development is critical and can be addressed to various measures such as role-based access control, authorization objects, input validation to prevent XUL, ingestion and other attacks, secure code practice, transport management to ensure controlled development of changes. What are the different development environments for SAP ABAP? Answer. SAP provides various development environments including ABAP development tools in Eclipse, SAP graphical user interface for traditional development, SAP Business Application Studio for cloud-based development. How do you optimize performance in ABAP development? Performance optimization in ABAP development can be achieved through efficient database access using approximate index, minimizing database round trips. Proper use of ABAP contracts, avoiding nested loops, optimizing data processing logic, crashing frequently, aside data, leveraging. What are the career opportunities for SAP ABAP full stack developers? Answer. SAP ABAP full stack developers are in demand across industries where SAP systems are implemented. They can work as SAP consultants, developers, technical architects, or in specialized roles such as SAP Fiori, UI5 developers, or SAP HANA developers. What is SAP Fiori and how does it relate to ABAP development? Answer. SAP Fiori is a design language and user experience UX framework developed by SAP for creating modern, responsive, and user-friendly applications. In ABAP development, Fiori applications can be built using SAP UI5 and ABAP is used for backend logic and integration with SAP systems. How do you handle error handling and debugging in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Error handling in ABAP development involves using techniques such as exception handling, Try catch blocks and logging errors. Use tools like the SAP application log. BAL for debugging. Developers can use built-in tools like the ABAP debugger and the SAP code inspector to identify and resolve issues in code. Can you explain the concept of BAPIs, Business Application Programming Interfaces in SAP ABAP development? Answer. BAPIs are standardized interfaces provided by SAP for accessing and interacting with SAP business objects and process. They allow external systems to call SAP systems remotely. In ABAP development, BAPIs can created using function modules and are commonly used for integrating SAP with external systems. How do you handle version control and transport management in ABAP development? Answer. Version control in ABAP development is typically managed using SAP's transport management system, which allows developers to package and transport development objects. Example, program, sceneries, tables between different SAP systems, development quality, assurance, products. Changes are tracked using transport requests. What is the role of SAP Gateway in ABAP full stack development? Answer. SAP Gateway enables the integration of non-SAP systems and mobile device with SAP systems. It provides OData service for accessing SAP data and business process in a RESTful way. In ABAP full stack development, SAP Gateway is used to expose ABAP functionality as OData service for consumption by external applications. How do you perform unit testing in ABAP development? Answer. Unit testing in ABAP development involves creating test classes and methods. Using the ABAP unit framework, developers write test code to verify the behavior of individual components. Example, function module classes in isolation. Test results are then evaluated to ensure the correctness of the developed functionality. What are the key considerations for ABAP development in a cloud environment? Answer. In a cloud environment, ABAP development may involve considerations such as leveraging cloud-based development tools like SAP Business Application Studio, integrating with cloud-based services and platform, ensuring scalability and availability of SAP applications, implementing security measures specific to the cloud environment. How do you handle internalization and localization in SAP ABAP development? Answer. Internalization and localization in ABAP development involve designing applications to support multi-languages and regional settings. This includes using techniques such as language-specific text using text symbols or translation tools, date and number formatting based on user preferences, and support for country-specific requirements. Can you explain the concept of ABAP list viewer in SAP ABAP development? Answer. ALV is a framework provided by SAP for displaying tabular data in ABAP application. It offers various features for customizing the appearance and behavior of the output, such as sorting, filtering, and aggregations. ALV can be used to create interactive reports, list displays, and analytical application. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let us discuss SAP BTP interview question and answers. How does SAP BTP enable real-time analytics and decision making? Answer: SAP BTP provides in-memory computing capabilities through services like SAP HANA, allowing organizations to analyze large volumes of data in real time. It also integrates with SAP Analytics Cloud and other BI tools to deliver actionable insights and support data-driven decision making. What role does SAP BTP play in supporting digital commerce and e-commerce initiatives? Answer: SAP BTP offers commerce services and capabilities for building and managing digital storefronts, supporting omni-channel sales and delivering personalized customer experience. It integrates with SAP Commerce Cloud and other e-commerce platforms to enable seamless order management, payment processing, and customer engagement. How does SAP BTP address the challenges of application modernization and legacy system integration? Answer: SAP BTP provides tools and services for application modernization, such as SAP Cloud Application Programming Model and SAP Cloud Platform Extension Factory to refactor legacy applications and migrate them to the cloud. It also offers integration capabilities for connecting legacy systems with modern cloud-native applications. Can you discuss the role of SAP BTP in supporting digital transformation initiatives in the public sector? Answer: SAP BTP enables public sector organizations to digitize citizen services, improve operational efficiency, and enhance transparency and accountability. It supports initiatives like smart cities, digital government, and citizen engagement through cloud-based applications, IoT solutions, and data-driven analytics. How does SAP BTP facilitate collaboration and ecosystem integration among partners and third-party developers? Answer: SAP BTP provides collaboration tools and partner ecosystem programs such as SAP Partnerage and SAP App Center to foster collaboration and innovation among developers. ISVs and system integrators, it offer APIs, SKDs, and developers tools to enable seamless integration and extensibility of SAP solutions. How does SAP BTP support serverless computing and event-driven architectures? Answer: SAP BTP offers serverless computing services such as SAP Functions and SAP Event Mesh to execute code in response to events without managing server infrastructure. It enables event-driven architectures for building scalable, event-driven applications and microservices that respond dynamically to business events and triggers. Can you explain the role of SAP BTP in enabling digital supply chain transformation? Answer: SAP BTP supports digital supply chain transformation by providing visibility, agility, and intelligence across the supply chain network. It integrates with SAP Integrated Business Planning, SAP Logistics Business Network, and IoT solutions to optimize demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics operations. How does SAP BTP support sustainability and corporate social responsibility initiatives for businesses? Answer: SAP BTP enables businesses to track and analyze environmental, social, and governance metrics through sustainability management solutions like SAP Sustainability Cloud. It helps organizations measure their carbon footprint, set sustainability goals, and drive positive social and environmental impact across their operations and supply chain. How does SAP BTP facilitate data integration and orchestration across heterogeneous landscapes. Answer: SAP BTP offers integration services like SAP Cloud Integration and SAP Data Intelligence for connecting disparate data sources, applications, and systems. It provides pre-built connectors, data transformation tools, and orchestration capabilities to streamline data integration workflows and ensure data consistency and integrity. What are the key features of benefits of SAP BTP's application programming model? Answer: SAP Cloud Applications Programming Model provides a set of tools and best practice for building cloud native applications on SAP BTP. Its key features include data modeling with CDS, Core Data Services, declarative programming with annotations and support for multi-tenancy and microservices architecture. CAP helps developers accelerate application development, ensure consistency, and simplify maintenance. Can you discuss the role of SAP BTP in supporting edge computing and IoT use cases? Answer: SAP BTP extends its capabilities to the edge by enabling edge computing and IoT scenarios through services like SAP Edge Services and SAP IoT Application Enablement. It allows organizations to process and analyze data closer to the source, reducing latency and enabling real-time insights and actions in remote or bandwidth-constrained environments. How does SAP BTP empower businesses to leverage AI and machine learning capabilities? Answer: SAP BTP integrates AI and machine learning services like SAP AI Business Services and SAP Data Intelligence for enabling predictive analytics, natural language processing, and computer vision capabilities. It provides pre-trained models, data preparation tools, and APIs for building intelligent applications and automating business processes. What role does SAP BTP play in supporting digital identity and access management for applications and users? Answer: SAP BTP offers identity and access management services including SAP Cloud Identity Services and SAP Single Sign-on for managing user authentication, authorization, and secure access to applications and resources. It supports identity federation, multi-factor authentication, and identity governance to ensure compliance and mitigate security risks. How does SAP BTP enable innovation through open platforms and ecosystem? Answer: SAP BTP fosters innovation through open platforms, APIs, and ecosystem partnerships, allowing developers and partners to extend, integrate, and co-innovate with SAP solutions. It provides access to SAP Business Technology Platform Marketplace developer, community resources, and sandbox environments for experimentations and collaboration. What are some considerations for implementing SAP BTP in a regulated industry such as healthcare or finance? Answer: in regulated industries, organizations must consider compliance requirements, data privacy regulations, and security standards when implementing SAP BTP. This may include ensuring data encryption, order trials, and access controls, as well as obtaining relevant certifications and adhering to industry specific guidelines such as HIPAA or GDPR. How does SAP BTP enable hybrid and multi-cloud deployment models for enterprises? Answer: SAP BTP supports hybrid and multi-cloud deployment models by providing properability and interoperability across different cloud environments. It allows organizations to deploy applications and workloads seamlessly across public cloud, private cloud, and on-premises infrastructure while leveraging consistent management, security and development tools. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone. Welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let's discuss SAP BTP interview question and answers. What is SAP Business Technology Platform? Answer. SAP Business Technology Platform is an integrated offering designed to simplify digital transformation for businesses. It provides a comprehensive set of services and tools to enable companies to develop, integrate, and manage their applications and data in the cloud. What are the key components of SAP BTP? SAP BTP comprises various services and tools including database and data management, analytics, application development and integration, intelligent technologies, experience management, foundation. How does SAP BTP support application development and integration? SAP BTP offers various tools and services for application development and integration, such as SAP Cloud Platform Integration Suite, SAP Cloud Application Programming Model, SAP Fiori Elements, and SAP API Management. Can you explain SAP BTP's role in data management? Answer. SAP BTP provides capabilities for data management including database services, data integration, data warehousing, and analytics. It enables organizations to store, process, and analyze their data efficiently and securely. What are the benefits of using SAP BTP for businesses? Answer. Some key benefits of SAP BTP include accelerated innovation and time to market, simplified development and integration processes, improved agility and scalability, enhanced data management and analytics capabilities, better customer experience and operational efficiency. Can you discuss a project where you utilized SAP BTP? Answer. This is where you would talk about any relevant experience you have with SAP BTP, including the project scope, the specific services or tools you used, challenges you encountered, and the outcomes achieved. How does SAP BTP enable digital transformation for businesses? Answer. SAP BTP provides a unified platform for businesses to digitize their processes, innovate with new technologies, and adapt to changing market demands. It empowers organizations to reimagine their business models, optimize operations, and deliver value to customers in the digital age. What are some current trends or developments in SAP BTP that you find interesting? Answer. This question allows you to demonstrate your awareness of the latest trends or innovations in SAP BTP, such as advancements in cloud native development, integration with SAP S/4HANA, or the adoption of AI-driven analytics and automation. How does SAP BTP supports multi-cloud and hybrid cloud scenarios? Answer. SAP BTP offers flexibility by enabling development across various cloud providers including AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It allows organizations to leverage an multi-cloud or hybrid cloud approach based on their requirements for performance, scalability, and regulatory compliance. Can you explain the role of SAP BTP in the Internet of Things, IoT, and Industry 4.0 initiatives? Answer. SAP BTP provides IoT services and capabilities for managing connected devices, collecting sensor data, and analyzing real-time insights. It plays a crucial role in Industry 4.0 by enabling smart manufacturing, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization through IoT integration with SAP solutions. What are some use cases or industries where SAP BTP What are some use cases or industries where SAP BTP is particularly well suited? Answer: SAP BTP can be applied across various industries and use cases including manufacturing for optimizing production process and supply chain management, retail for enhancing customer engagement and personalization through data-driven insights, healthcare for improving patient care and operational efficiency with AI powered analytics and telemedicine solutions. Financial services for enabling secure and compliant digital banking services and fraud detection. Utilities for optimizing energy distribution and grid management through IoT and predictive maintenance. How does SAP BTP support DevOps practice and continuous delivery, continuous integration? Answer: SAP BTP provides DevOps tools and services such as SAP Continuous Integration and Delivery Pipeline, Git repository integration, and automated testing frameworks to streamline the development lifecycle and enable rapid iterative deployment of applications and updates. How does How does SAP BTP support the development of mobile and web applications? Answer: SAP BTP offers development tools and frameworks such as SAP Fiori for web applications and SAP mobile services for mobile app development to create responsive, intuitive user experience across various devices and platforms. It also provides services for offline that synchronization, push notification, and security features. What are some key considerations for migrating existing on-premises applications to SAP BTP? Answer: when migrating on-premises applications to SAP BTP, organizations should consider factors such as application architecture and dependencies, data migration and integration requirements, security and compliance considerations, performance and scalability needs, training and change management for users and stakeholders. How does SAP BTP enable business process automation and workflow orchestration? Answer: SAP BTP offers workflow management tools such as SAP Workflow Management and SAP Robotic Process Automation to automate businesses process, streamline approvals, and eliminate manual tasks. It enables workflow orchestration across various systems and applications to improve efficiency and productivity. Can you discuss a challenge you faced while working with SAP BTP and how you resolved it? Answer: this question allows you to demonstrate problem solving skills and practical experience with SAP BTP. You could discuss a specific technical issue, implementation challenge, or project obstacle you encountered, the steps you look to address it, and the lessons learned from the experience. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let me discuss SAP BTP interview question and answers. What is SAP Business Technology Platform? Answer: SAP Business Technology Platform is an integrated offering designed to simplify digital transformation for businesses. It provides a comprehensive set of services and tools to enable companies to develop, integrate, and manage their applications and data in the cloud. What are the key components of SAP BTP? Answer: SAP BTP comprises various services and tools including database and data management, analytics, application development and integration, intelligent technologies, experience management, foundation. How does SAP BTP support application development and integration? Answer: SAP BTP offers various tools and services for application development and integration, such as SAP Cloud Platform Integration Suite, SAP Cloud Application Programming Model, SAP Fiori eliminates and SAP API management. Can you explain SAP BTP's role in data management? Answer: SAP BTP provides capabilities for data management, including database services, data integration, data warehousing, and analytics. It enables organizations to store, process, and analyze their data efficiently and securely. How does SAP BTP leverage intelligent technologies? SAP BTP incorporates intelligent technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and robotic process automation to help businesses automate processes, gain insights for data, and delivery personalized experience to customers. What are the benefits of using SAP BTP for businesses? Answer: some key benefits of SAP BTP include accelerated innovation and time to market, simplified development and integration processes, improved agility and scalability, enhanced data management and analytics capabilities, better customer experience and operational efficiency. How does SAP BTP enable digital transformation for businesses? Answer: SAP BTP provides a unified platform for businesses to digitize their processes, innovate with new technologies, and adapt to changing market demands. It empowers organizations to reimagine their businesses models, optimize operations, and deliver value to customers in the digital age. What are some current trends or development in SAP BTP that you find interesting? Answer: this question allows you to demonstrate your awareness for the latest trends and innovations in SAP BTP, such as advancements in cloud native development, integration with SAP S/4HANA, or the adoption of AI driven analytics and automation. How does SAP BTP support multi-cloud and hybrid cloud scenarios? Answer: SAP BTP offers flexibility by enabling development across various cloud providers, including AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It allows organizations to leverage a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud approach based on their requirements for performance, scalability, and regularity. How does SAP BTP support multi-cloud and hybrid cloud scenarios? Answer: SAP BTP offers flexibility by enabling development across various cloud providers including AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It allows organizations to leverage a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud approach based on their requirements for performance, scalability, and regulatory compliance. Can you explain the role of SAP BTP in the Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 initiatives? Answer: SAP BTP provides services and capabilities for managing connected device, collecting sensor data, and analyzing real-time insights. It plays a crucial role in Industry 4.0 by enabling smart manufacturing, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization through integration with SAP solutions. What are some use cases of industries where SAP BTP is particularly well? What are some use cases or industries where SAP BTP is particularly well suited? Answer: SAP BTP can be applied across various industries and use cases including manufacturing for optimizing production process and supply chain management, retail for enhancing customer encouragement and personalization through data driven insights, healthcare for improving patient care and operational efficiency with AI powered analytics and telemedicine solution, financial services for enabling secure and compliance digital marketing services and fraud detection, utilities for optimizing energy distribution and grid management through IoT and predictive maintenance. How does SAP BTP supports DevOps practice and continuous delivery, continuous integration? Answer: SAP BTP provides DevOps tools and services such as SAP continuous integration and delivery, pipeline, grid repository integration, and automated testing framework to streamline the development life cycle and enable rapid iterative deployment and applications and updates. How does SAP BTP supports the development of mobile and web applications? Answer: SAP BTP offers development tools and frameworks such as SAP Fiori for web application and SAP Mobile Services for mobile app development to create responsive intuitive user experience across various devices and platforms. It also provides services for offline data synchronization, push notifications, and security features. What are, what are some key considerations for migrating existing on-premises application to SAP BTP? Answer: when migrating on-premises application to SAP BTP, organizations should consider factors such as application architecture and dependencies, data migration and integration requirements, security and compliance considerations, performance and scalability needed, training and change management for users and stakeholders. How does SAP BTP enable business process automation and workflow orchestration? Answer: SAP BTP offers workflow management tools such as SAP Workflow Management and SAP Robotic Process automation to automate business processes, streamline approvals, and eliminate manual tasks. It enables workflow orchestration across various systems and applications to improve efficiency and productivity. Can you discuss a challenge you faced while working in SAP BTP and how you resolved it? Answer: this question allows you to demonstrate problem solving skills and practical experience with SAP BTP. You could discuss a specific technical issue, implementation challenge, or project obstacle you encountered, the steps you look to address it, and the lessons learned from the experience. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone. Welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let me discuss SAP Data Sphere interview question and answers. What is SAP Data Sphere? Answer: SAP Data Sphere is a comprehensive data management solution that allows businesses to connect, manage, and utilize data from various sources in a unified manner. It integrates data warehousing, data lake, and data virtualization, capabilities to provide a holistic view of enterprise data. How does SAP DataSphere differ from traditional data warehousing solutions? Answer: unlike traditional data warehousing solutions that often operate in silos, SAP DataSphere offers a cloud-based unified data management approach. It combines data warehousing, data lake, and data integration functionalities in a single platform, facilitating real-time data access and simplifying data governance. What is the rule of spaces in SAP DataSphere? Answer: spaces in SAP DataSphere are virtual workspaces that allows teams to manage their data independently. Each space can have its own data modules, connectings, and security settings, facilitating collaboration while maintaining control over data access and governance. How does SAP DataSphere handle data integration? SAP DataSphere integrates data through various connectors that allow seamless connection to SAP and non-SAP data source. It supports batch and real-time data integration, ensuring up-to-date data availability. Additionally, it uses data replication and data federation techniques to combine data from different sources without the need for extensive ELT processes. Describe the data modeling capabilities of SAP DataSphere. Answer: SAP DataSphere offers robust data modeling capabilities including graphical data modeling. Users can create complex data modules using a visual interface. SQL-based modeling supports SQL for creating views and models. Business layer allows business users to define semantic modules using business terms, making data more accessible and understandable. How does SAP DataSphere ensure data security and compliance? Answer: SAP DataSphere incorporates several security features including user and role-based access control, ensures only authorized users can access specific data, data masking and encryption, product sensitive data both at rest and in transit, idle trailers, tracks data access and modifications to ensure. What are the data governance capabilities of SAP DataSphere? Answer: SAP DataSphere provides comprehensive data governance tools. Data lineage tracks data flow from source to destination, ensuring transparency. Data catalog maintains a catalog of available data assets, facilitating data discovery. Metadata management manages metadata to enhance data understanding and quality. Can you provide an example of a use case for SAP DataSphere? Answer: one common use case is integrating and analyzing customer data from various sources, example CRM, sales, social media, to create a 360-degree customer view. This enables businesses to perform advanced analytics, improve customer service, and drive targeted marketing campaigns. How would you approach a data migration project to SAP DataSphere? Answer: a data migration project to SAP DataSphere involves assessment, understanding current data landscape and requirements, planning, defining the migration strategy, including data mapping and transformation rules, execution, using SAP DataSphere's data integration tools to migrate data in stages, ensuring data integrity. Validation, verifying migrated data accuracy and completeness. Optimization, fine tuning performance and settings up monitoring processes. What is the significance of the data marketplace in SAP Data Sphere? Answer: the data marketplace in SAP Data Sphere allows organizations to discover and acquire external data sets from trusted third-party providers. This enables businesses to enrich their internal data with external insight, supporting better decision making and enhancing analytics capabilities. How does SAP DataSphere handle data synchronization between on-premise and cloud systems? Answer: SAP DataSphere uses data replication and data federation techniques to handle data synchronization. Data replication ensures that data is copied and kept consistent between on-premise and cloud systems. Data federation allows real-time access to data in its original location without physically moving it, ensuring up-to-date information is available for analysis. How does SAP DataSphere support complex data transformation? Answer: SAP DataSphere supports complex data transformation through its graphical data flow modeling and SQL-based transformation capabilities. Users can define complex data pipelines, apply various transformation rules, and integrate with external ETL tools if needed. What measures does SAP DataSphere takes to ensure data privacy? Answer: SAP DataSphere ensures data privacy through data masking, hides sensitive information in datasets. Encryption uses encryption for data at rest and in transit. Access controls implements strict user and role based access control to restrict data access to authorized personnel only. How does SAP DataSphere integrate with SAP Analytics Cloud? Answer: SAP DataSphere integrates seamlessly with SAP Analytics Cloud, enabling users to leverage powerful analytics and visualization tools. Data for SAP DataSphere can be directly accessed in SAP Analytics Cloud, allowing for real-time reporting and advanced analytics. Can SAP DataSphere be integrated with non-SAP systems? If so, how? Answer: yes. SAP DataSphere can be integrated with non-SAP systems using its wide range of pre-built connectors and APIs. This connector supports integration with various databases, cloud services, and third-party applications, facilitating comprehensive data integration and management. Describe a scenario where SAP DataSphere can be used for predictive analytics. Answer: in the retail industry, SAP DataSphere can be used to integrate sales, inventory, and customer data for various sources. By leveraging this unified data, businesses can apply predictive analytics to forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and identify customer buying partners, thereby improving operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. How can SAP DataSphere assist in regulatory compliance? Answer: SAP DataSphere assists in regulatory compliance by providing agile trailers, tracking data access and modification for transparency, ensuring data lineage, maintaining a record of data flow and transformations, supporting data governance, enforcing data policies and standards across the organization to meet regulatory requirements. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.